Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can reset PIN code in Facebook Messenger app. Be sure friends subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes and also write your comments after watching. So dear friends, let us get started. First of all, open the Messenger app on your device. Next friends, you will have to go to the menu at the bottom, or if you don't have the updated Messenger yet, then on the top left click on the three bars to open the menu. After that, select Settings. Next, Privacy and Confidentiality. Now please select this section right here. After that, select Messenger Storage and then please click on Change PIN. After that, you need to enter the new PIN code for Messenger. And the next step, you need to repeat it. When you enter the new PIN code for Messenger app twice, you will reset it and automatically save the new PIN code. That's how quick, easy you can reset PIN code on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to subscribe and also give us a like. See you soon.